Hello my beautiful investors. So this is an update on Wonders Court Estate in Awoyaya, Oribawa precisely. So if you watch the last video for this estate, you can see we've actually made a very tremendous progress in this estate. We've delivered to some of our clients that they've finished all the money we've delivered to them. You know, on 70% we'll do allocation. When you finish, you can move to your house. So one of it is this one, and you know, this is if you check around, see the space. I just want to tell you little things that the front, you can park almost 5 cars in this place. This is very big house. It's a bungalow, 3-bedroom with BQ. It comes with solar, and also for security reason, we've done something that I don't think any other estate have done before. We have voice enabled solar power here. You can see we put it on all our street lights. We put it there. So I'll play a video now to really explain what this thing does. It's a voice enabled solar camera. So it is for security purpose. So you know, I just need to play this so that you know that your security is our utmost when you are investing in Wonders Court in Awoyaya.
4G solar security cameras. It is voice enabled. I can be in anywhere around the country and communicate to people around the estate. You see the light comes up, right? So the purpose of having this is to monitor activities around the estate. Please come and see, come and view the screen. Let them see how it looks at night. Look at this. Come closer, engineer, please. You see how it looks at night, okay? Even without the solar light yet, this is what it's giving you. That is to show that we are providing maximum security in Wonder Court. This camera, these 4G voice-enabled solar cameras are installed in every of our streets, road of the estate, the entire estate. So with this, you are good to go in terms of security because we can monitor the scenarios, monitor the activities around the estate. With this, you can gather evidence. You know, when you have something like this, even individual will be afraid to rob or to steal within the estate.
So this is it. Let's dive into it. Check around, we are walking. If you watched my last video, there was no house the last time I was here. No house here, no house there. You can see we are not stopping. We are doing all this to make sure that whosoever that maybe you've deposited or you finish your payment will deliver to you. No story. So this is 3-bedroom with a BQ, all en suite, and it comes with solar. So let's go inside to see. So like I said, it's an update, and I just want to remind you, if you're thinking of you want to get this, and this is going for 35 million naira. You can spread it 2 years with initial payment of 5 million naira. So I just want to show you all this so that you can see that when you're looking for space, quality, top notch, good place, in fact, this is it. We have speaker. The central speaker is available. The POP, chandelier. This is the living room. This is big. This is big. Before I even talk about the living room, look at our door. So you can see this door. This is bullet resistant door. So this is beautiful on its own. Coupled with 6 space. This is 3-bedroom, and this is the living room. Do you know how much you can rent this out in this place? We have anybody that wants to rent this thing out, to be like 2 million naira to rent this thing out. So this is a good investment. So if you are looking for investment, this is it. And if you're looking for estate to stay, this is a perfect home for you. So the space is big. This is the living room. Let me take you to the kitchen first. then I can take you to the other room. So this is the kitchen. We have nice thing. You can see this is exactly how we are going to deliver this to you. You can see the finishing. It is top notch. It's coming with the cooker. It's coming with the space. We have all this for you. You can see this is very, very good, and you can see the kitchen is a sizable one that you will like. And here we have our solar, we have our inverter here, so all the houses comes with this. And also we have our BQ. This is our BQ here. This is the BQ, and we have the BQ is in suite too. We have the toilet too here. So if you're looking for something that you want to invest, I know that you cannot stay in everywhere, but if you are looking for investment, this is good. You can put your lines here for clothes to dry your clothing, you know. So let's go to the other rooms. So we have a room here. This is one room. This is good. This is room 1 with the wardrobe, and look at it. This is what I'm showing you. This is exactly how we are going to deliver it. No story on this one. So come and see the bathroom. So we have the shower here. We have the water heater. We have the sink, and we have the toilet. You can see. So this is good, where you put your soap, where you can put your towel, you know. And see, it's very high. The ceiling is very high. It's not something that comes down and rest. So say this is room 1, and that's the master bedroom. We call it primary room. Also we have lest I forget, this is the visitors toilet for the living room. And this is we have here, this is room 2 here. Come and check it. Sizable room with a wardrobe and the toilet and the bathroom, all room and en suite. So come and check it. I need to show you this so that you will know that our finishing is top notch. Check everywhere. See, this is the shower, this is the sink, and the toilet, the water heater. So like I said, with initial deposit of 5 million naira, you can key into this. And this is the last room. This is the room 3 here. See, it's very sizable with the wardrobe. Lighting is very good, and we have the toilet, and see the shower, the sink, and the water heater. So everything comes in suite. This is a very good investment. This is 3 bedroom with a BQ. So let me show you. Not only this one that we have the one that with a driveway, which that one is 33 million naira with initial deposit of 5 million naira. You can key into it. You know, the best thing to do now is to pick my number and start calling me right away. See, we have inverter for everyone that subscribe to this estate. So this is a good one for you. And this is another just in the axis of Awoyaya Oribanwa, immediately after Green Spring School. That is Awoyaya. Then you just need to drive a little bit to get to Oribanwa. So this is before Amen Estate, because I know maybe you've heard about Amen Estate. Amen Estate is still at Lekki. So this is even before Lakwe Lake Golf. So you know, you are in the center of the Ibeju Lekki, and people are around here living in this place. In fact, one of the bungalows, people are living there because some are people, they pay outright, we give them their house. So there is no story about this. 35 million naira for this, because this is the front. With the one with driveway, I can show you too, is 33 million naira. And these are the title gazettes. You will still need to perfect your document, because if you want it in your name, you need to perfect it. But it's free from encumbrances and it's free from government acquisition. So it's a good title with initial deposit of 5 million naira. You can key into this, and you can spread your payment 2 years. That is 24 months with little interest. So I want you to pick my number showing there. Call me. Let me take you for inspection, whether virtually or physically. So my name is Olashile David, and I help people create wealth through real estate. Start calling my number, subscribe, and you turn on your bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Properties. Comment, like, and share. I'll be expecting your call. So, my bungalows lover, this is for you. Call me right away